Shenzhen Korei Meat Technology Company Limited is mainly engaged in researching, producing, and marketing beauty and hairdressing products. At present, our main products are hair dryer brush, hair dryer, hair straightener and curler, hair clippers, etc. We have professional managers, developers, designers, and modern production equipments. All of our products could meet CE, RoHS, ULFCC, and ETL standards. Our company has a scale of 50 to 100 people. We provide OEM, ODM service, and are able to develop products from concepts of appearance design, create private mold, design logo, and unique packaging, which could make your brand easily pop out from the competitive market. 5 QC engineers ensure high quality. 10 QC auditors inspect our goods at every producing stage to ensure our products measure up to your requirements. Based on all these advantages, we got recognition of offline famous brands and established very stable business relationship. Our products are mainly export to Europe, South America, Australia, and we are very glad our OEM service could help some of our clients become bestseller of certain well-known online platforms.